Now we will see what is relational algebra and relational algebra operators. First we will see what is relational algebra. Relational algebra is a procedural query language which takes relation as input and generates relation as output. So here relational algebra is a procedural query language means, for example, SQL is a procedural query language. So for this relational algebra operations, you can write the SQL commands also. And here it takes the relation as input, which is nothing but a table. It will take input as a table and produces the table as a output. Now we will see what are the basic operations in the relational algebra. Basic operators and extended operators. Basic operators means unary operators, binary operators. First we will see basic operators. Basic operators are unary operators. Unary operators means you can apply these operators on the single table. That's why it is called unary operators. Binary operators means you can apply these operations on the two tables. That's why it is called as a binary operators. First we will see unary operators. Unary operators are nothing but a selection operator, projection operator, rename operator. Selection operator can be represented by using this sigma symbol. Projection operator can be represented by using pi. Rename operator can be represented by using rho. First we will see selection operator. Selection operator means it retrieves the rows based on some condition. So here it will retrieve the rows. We will see with one example. As I already told you, this selection operator can be applied on the single table. So you can consider any single table. For example, I am considering student table. You can consider student, or I am mentioning as a R2. Table name I am mentioning as a R2. In this one I have taken three attributes: name, age, marks. Student name, age, marks. Student name A, C, D, age, marks I have considered. So on this table I want to apply the select. So here select marks is equal to 95. This is nothing but a some condition. Based on this condition, you are retrieving the rows from this R2 table. So from this R2 table, marks is equal to 95. Where are there? A and D got 95 marks. That will be retrieved here. In the this result is storing in the R3 table. As I said, it takes input as a relation and output as a relation. So here R3 will be name, same attributes will be name, age, marks, whose marks are 95. That complete row will be returned. Okay, selecting the rows from a relation based on some condition. Okay, that is nothing but a select. This can be applied on the single table. So we have considered single table here. You can choose your own examples also. Next we will see projection. Projection is nothing but a, here it will select all the rows of the particular attributes. Okay. So for particular attributes, it select all rows. We will see with an example. As I said, this also apply on the single table only. So here, for example, same from this table only I am considering. That result I am storing in some R4 table, pi of name comma marks. Here from this table I want to choose only name and marks. So name comma marks, you can select either single also, only name also you can select. Attributes list, and from which table you are selecting? R2. So here this is nothing but a attributes list you can write here. So here from this R2 relation, it selects attributes of all the rows from this relation R2. So R4 is nothing but a name, total attribute name rows it will display, and marks also display. A is having 95 marks, C is having 96, D is having 95. This is nothing but a projection. Now we will see rename operator. Rename means nothing but a, if you want to assign any new name to old table name, then you can use the rename. Okay, use it to assign a new name to a relation. So here syntax will be row, new name, new table name, new relation name. This is nothing but a within the braces you need to mention the old relation name. Here old relation name is nothing but here R2. So here you mention R2. This R2 name I want to give as a new R. Okay. So here this R2 is changing as a new R. Now what is my R2 table is converted new R. So here this is about the unary operators. Please subscribe my channel. For the binary operators, please see the next video.